The construction of your house involves many stages: excavation, foundation, plinth, column construction, slab construction, brickwork, plastering and finishing. The depth of excavation depends on the number of floors you plan to construct and the soil type. The foundation is the first hard concrete base that supports the entire house structure. The foundation structure is generally stone masonry or reinforced cement concrete (RCC). Plinth beam is just above the foundation, which forms the base for the walls. Columns extend from the foundation to support the beams and roof slabs. Roof slab is an important stage which marks completion of the house framework. Roof slab forms intermediate floor or roof of the house. Bricks are laid in cement mortar to form the walls of your house. Brick walls are then plastered with cement mortar to prepare an even surface for finishing and painting. Some smart tips to remember.